Let's talk about the pistol squat. So this is a single leg squat where your other foot is straight out in front of you. The biggest thing you want to keep in mind is the foot that's on the ground, you want to keep the heel down. If you can do it from the floor, awesome. To make it a little bit easier, get up on top of something like a box, a couple plates, throw that foot out in front or out to the side of the box, and then lower yourself down. So your foot is, you're allowing that foot to go lower than the foot that's pushing off the floor. So that'll make it a little bit easier. Good luck, have fun with this one.